So how do you make your pitch to the corporate investor? I have a few ideas about this, and I've been through a couple sessions where people ask, what's the best way to do this? And I do my product market technology management pitch. I think there's another layer to that where you have to be knowledgeable in that particular corporate's area of interest. So there are people who come in and pitch to us and assume anything in healthcare must be exciting to J&J because we're a very diversified company, and we are interested but not likely to invest across the board. So I think if you should understand the market of the product and our presence in that market as part of your presentation. You should not be surprised when you come to pitch to us about what we may have going on in a particular space. I think another thing you need to understand, and Silicon Valley medical device innovation there's a language, there's a community here that's very well known. So if you're not aware of the basic biodesign process, you're not aware of the many incubators and accelerators that are here, I think you may you'll be out of context because the closeness to the OR, closeness to physicians, the ease with which you can do that through a variety of accelerators, innovators, programs in Silicon Valley. So I think you've got to have your story well posed. It's got to fit into the interest of that particular corporate. It's got to be told in the context of being in Silicon Valley. I think you can tell a different story other places, but I think everybody knows everybody here and knows the accelerators, the incubators, knows a lot of what's going on, knows a lot of what's available through training programs here. So I think you have to speak that language. You have to speak specifically to the potential interest of the corporate, and you should raise those questions about what can they do to help you be successful. Your core story's got to be good, and you've got to do this funny balancing act of saying you're narrowly focused. I know exactly where I'm going with exactly the right amount of money, but I'm going to be agile. When I run into trouble, I'm going to know how to look out, solve my problem if I have to adjust technology, or if my core management team didn't work out so well, or even I might be open-minded about a business model alteration. So there's always this kind of interesting balance between a core, highly focused story and exactly the right team that's also agile and attentive to advice that comes in from others. So I guess that's what I want to see in a team.